Muyumbe wa Kibwezi cha udhuloni wa Asua wakili e-commerce Mwengi wa Mutuse na nato wa masembani make makukitia utongo zamani yewinya ya mbunge ya budget itina udeti wa serikali ya broad-based kumukile winya na kuosa mwanya munene unyubanini uo yumwene kivela mwewanza maini muyumbe wa Lego Usonga wa chama cha ODM Samuel Atandi ulawa mwichanza muyumbe wa Kiharu Ndindinyoro udeti yulo wa mawaliu kuma utongo wanzama yewethetu mwingi muno kuma mwambio wa serikali nzao ya broad-based mwakani mwetu Benjamin.
Is it a must?
Muyumbe wa Kibwezi cha udhuloni wa Asua wakili Mwengi Mutuse ni umwa yumbe alama na tangasi wendi mulumu wa kukitia utongo iwanza ma budget mbunge nene na muno mwanani wa mwene kivila itina wa mbunge kutangaza mwaliu kuma utongo inzamani inailasima makusi we
nama boya mweje wa wendo kola kwe musumbe na tuibika une ithukizitu meme kumbungene nina kono wakazimo bana iwa musumbe tawana kindu kinene muno kumbungene weka simo ka kono ndina mbo mananeza lakini lema boya mweje wa mwendo kola kwe u kwibika une ibado ngako ga budget ya Kenya ninya nongamia na yu dinawe taizu nondo neze mwe andumanga hii yumuthimo katulie ndu ketangaza one musize wala Mwengi wa Mutuse kwethe ai muno ngongamia budget pera bethe inonge yitire lakini likasimo kala nako niwa nitakauma bumbungeni na nitakaza musumbe ni wako na simu aza budget pala Ndindinyoro peka la Mwengi wa Mutuse nina mama lakini baketha baili bethe
na kuyo mundi mausungi omeiki wakanyo za maini ya muyumbe wa Lego Usonga wa chama cha ODM Samuel Atandi tawe mwene kivila mweo munino wake ne muyumbe wa Edebes Robert Pukose wa chama cha UDM.
Even before I thank my members, let me also take this opportunity to applaud the broad-based government. Yes. I think all of you are aware that we have reached this point because of the broad-based government. And to that end, I also want to take this opportunity to thank my party leader, Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, Prime Minister, and the President of the Republic of Kenya, who have allowed us to join together and work together as Kenyans, and therefore in this particular committee, to be given the mandate to chair this committee.
Kwa Atandi kuikalila kivila ki zamai alasimika kumwechanza muyumbe wa Kiharu Ndindinyoro mwaliu kuma utongo ikuma na serikali impya broad-based maite these vaneno nyuvi wa Samuel Atandi mwanani uno vethitwe kiyokinene kuma kwa yumbe mwavuleni wa broad-based maimu konanya Nyoro na wanya utena wiananu wa budget ya them.
It is important for all of us to also be very honest. This committee, the Budget and Appropriations Committee, does not work in isolation. We do not do the budget in isolation. This committee works with the departmental committees. Departmental committees also interact with the executive when they're working on their estimates, and you know that, Chairman. And so for us to talk about equity for the whole nation, it is important for all of us, the entire stakeholders, to be fair from where it starts, where the rubber meets the road, even before they get to the Budget and Appropriations Committee.
We are going to ensure there is equity. And as we do that, the best way to do it would be to have a GIS positioning of all the projects. So those who are cheating Kenyans, that this committee is not sending resources to every part of the country, can actually see it with their eyes. Because some of them who were talking yesterday, Mr. Chairman, if we are to put the Kenyan map and put the projects on that map, a lot of things will come out, and it will be good for this country to see where the resources are.
Madina ma Nyoro na serikali ya OU manotho the iwe vanene ni muungamo wake nthino wa mutatala wa kumwenucha musiulo na imunino wa President Rigathi Gachagua vala Nyoro utatangasa muungamo wake wa ndani ona kuvikia kulea kwikonya na ukoni wa kura mutatalani ula watongo etwe ni muyumbe wa Kibwezi cha udhuloni wa Asua wakili Mwengi Mutuse na wakwatitwa mbau vanene ni ayumbe ma ODM mwakani muvitu.
The equitable share in Kenya in the year
Ndindinyoro vamwe na muyumbe wakili Mwengi Mutuse onthe ni a member zamani inom.
I am a new member of the committee, and I can read the mood in the country is that we do equity. And I am reminded that those who seek equity must also do equity. And therefore, even as we blame others, we must also look at ourselves and see whether we may have been part of the problems of the past.
Vilingwa mavu kuma vamya koni ya mpunge musino wa Ilovi. Nito Benjamin Mwakam.